Whakalawhalahi atu hane da wala tala tutupu ke lata mai awhiawhi. Good evening. In our news bulletin for tonight, kua liliu mai te wai te hukui mai he National Geographic mai Ocean 5 ke liwa ki mai e taha ata ki whanga ne ko poke ki niwe mo pivalisi tia mana ki foke ke whakakisi atu whakalulahi ke whalu motu he lalulangi. Niue is about to see the final cut of the National Geographic Pristine Seas documentary filmed in Niue and Beveridge Reef. Kua whai kumikumianga ne ko tau sia he mga hone ke lata mai tonga ngau ke tau sia linga ni whaingoi koe Otitis Media ke lata molo tolu te whanau I lalo hefo he lima tau moui. And Otitis Media research is being carried out for children under the age of 5. Whakatata he tau matu whine halufto ke lau halo tolu a tau koloang hua lima tō whakahokwe e aho whakatata ke whaitap kahau. Alofi North ladies showed their skills with a craft display held this week. Kua liliu mai te wai te hukui mai he National Geographic mai Ocean 5 ke liwa ki mai e taha ata ki whanga ni poki ai niwe mo pivalisi ke he mahina ha se petem he tau e kua mole. Koe aho nei ne whakahoku ai e taha whakatutalanga ke lata mo e tau matakau ne kua takitake e tau whikau nei I niwe koe niwe Ocean Wide Project whalatai fuki mai matakau to whia niwe. Koe matuta ki anga hanei he tau whakaholoanga ne kau whakataha e whakatufono niwe, mai matakau nau, to whia niwe, mai tau scientisti fōki mai he National Geographic, mai Ocean 5. Ke tau se taha kumikumianga ke tuanga he tau koloa ne kua hai ke he uluulu I pivalisi. Wai uluulu nei nā kaila lahi e māmaanga po ke tau kumikumianga ki ai. Si mahuenga lahi ke moa e whalo tau matuta ki anga ke tau koloa ne toki niwe, ke whakatatai atu kia pipalisi mai ono ke tau puhala, ke whakatu mau I lewe ki anga mo I puipuianga. Ne whakamama mai he hukui me he National Geographic o Dan Myers, we mahuinga he tau kumkumianga nei, we ata ki whanga ni kua poki ni we, ke iloa foki he lalulangi e tau puhala ngahua ni we ke tū mau e fufuala, mo he tawana foki e tuanga e taulatahi, mo he tau manuri hahai ei. We kei ni we mo taha motu ke ne kua lai maha ki whoke e mai longa anga mai omoi anga mai he whakatu whono ke lātu mo le wiki anga ke tau koloa ke tu whia. Mai kua whita he kumi puhala ke whakatokatoke to palana ke whakatu mai to koloa nei. Koe ata ki whanga nei ne kua whakakese whakamua ai ke he TV niwe he pōlihipo nei. Mai tau liu whoke ke whakakese ai ke TV niwe ke he pōlihipo a tapu ma ta hala whitu he mga whiawhi. Niue will be the first to see the final cut version of the short film documentary from National Geographic's Pristine Seas series. The expedition to Niue and Beveridge Reef was carried out in September of 2016, and through the scientific research and film, people will get to see the beauty of Beveridge Reef. Its isolation and remoteness adds to the mystery of the submerged atoll found within Niue waters, and it provides for a pristine environment with an array of marine life. Earlier today, a consultation was organized by the Niue Ocean Wide Project and Tofia Niue to provide an overview of the project. The Niue Ocean Wide Project sets an example of how public-private partnerships do work in achieving national objectives that are supported by government.
Niue Ocean Wide is a really exciting project, and it's important to remember that nowhere else in the world is something like this taking place. It's a uniquely Niuean thing. And, you know, Niue is known in places around the world as this special little Pacific island that's home to a pristine environment. It's a beautiful place. But what Niue Ocean Wide does is it takes it past just being a beautiful place, and it really augments that as a place that takes a sustainable management of its resources critically. And that's important because as the global community continues to come to terms with the fact that, you know, there are large-scale environmental problems going on in the world. There's climate change, there's overfishing, illegal fishing. So now the global community is looking for, you know, leaders, countries who take a stand and say, this is how we want to sustainably manage our resources. And Niue is doing exactly that.
Now, Dan Myers from National Geographic and Jessica Cramp from Oceans 5 have returned to return the film, acknowledging the collaboration between a number of key stakeholders.
This time we're back as a follow-up to our expedition in September 2016 with National Geographic Pristine Seas. And there we partnered with the government of Niue and Tofia Niue to support the Niue Ocean-Wide project, which is a really interesting public-private partnership that's seeking to sustainably manage Niue's ocean resources. The reason we're back this time is we have a finalized version of the documentary that resulted from that expedition. And this documentary really celebrates the majesty and the mystery of Niue's waters. And there were just some minor things that we needed to tweak, and we wanted to add more about the mystery of Beveridge, because Beveridge is this amazing place. It's 100 miles away from here. Almost nobody gets to go there, and so we really wanted to emphasize that in the film, and it didn't necessarily come through in the first round of it. But we took comments from everybody on the island, including the island leadership, and we took it back and we processed a new version, and here we are.
The short film is, in essence, a property of the people of Niue, sharing a mysterious, pristine environment that is Beveridge Reef, in a documentary that is just over 30 minutes long.
So the documentary emphasizes both the majesty and mystery of Niue, but it also emphasizes the scientific findings from our expedition in September 2016. And that's what we're most excited about with this version, because it talks about what the actual scientific findings are and how unique Niue's environment is. The final project, well, we're very excited to launch it here on island on Thursday night, but separately we're having conversations off island with other television distributors to see who might be able to pick it up. And we're in the initial conversations about that, but we're excited to see where those go.
The documentary was officially launched on TV Niue tonight and will be screened again on Sunday evening at 7 in the afternoon. Ka mātatua e tau kumikumi a ngai whai malolo seno ke he tau ngangau ke he tau selinga ne whakaingoe koe Otitis Media. Ne kumoa he tau whānau I lalo he whailima tau mui. Koe ka kāno he tau kumikumi a ngā nei ke anono, kumoa na kai he tau whānau he motu nei e tau lekua ke he tau selinga hau ka ngangau nei. Tokolonga fuki e tau whānau ke hau Pasifika ne kua lauia halu tūla tau malolo seno. Si hai e tau kumikumianga ne tau sei fuki ke tau kamali, kua whai whakakisianga, kua whāpui ni vale pasene he tau whānau aonga tokolunga, ne kua hokua te ke tau kumikumianga, ne kua mau he ngangau nei. Kai ue pasene he tau whānau he aonga tau whānau kiki. Talahau mei e taki he whahi pui pui ke tau ngangau, ko Griselda Mohoia, koe whalu e tau kakanu, ne kua mau he tau ngangau pihenei, tunga ia ka nā kai whangai huhu e tau whānau he mga aho he muke, ke kai ke kua ula tapake te tangata moe whawhangwai he tau whānau I kiki. Ke tau sivianga ke lata moe tau selinga ni kua muna ke tau se whae weweheanga, whakamua koe fuafuai ke he selinga moe tau pala whanongonongo, ke uaki moe hulu ki loto he pu selinga. Koe amuna ki fuki ke whai fuafuanga ke he tau longonanga he tau whānau, moe malolo ai fuki ke hala tautu selinga. Ke mga honei kua molea e whang fuli tau whānau I lalo hefa he lime tau moui ne kua ono moe lang matai atu ki ai whala tau pulotu ne kua hohoku mai I New Zealand. Ka eke ke ose tau kumikumianga nei, kua amana ke hohoku mai fuki whalua tau e ke kafo ngā hua ki tau selinga he mahina o ke tapa, to mai ka lautu ke lang matai, po ke whai lang matai anga lafkilunga he tau whānau nei. Specialists from the Auckland University are conducting an otitis media research on children under the age of 5. The aim of this research is to determine the amount of children under 5 years that have the ear disease. According to specialists, otitis media is one of the common ear infections that affect children within the Pacific, and if not treated properly or early, it could cause permanent hearing loss. Last year, during a hearing survey screening conducted with both schools, it showed that 4.8% of students tested at Niue High School had tested positive for otitis media, and 2% of Niue Primary School students were affected. According to the Public Health Division, this disease is often caused due to mothers not breastfeeding or continuous flu symptoms, secondhand smoking and lack of hygiene or skin disease. An ear specialist will be arriving in October and the research will be completed within the next 2 weeks. Koe pungi nia whini whakatātā e te koloa he te matu whine he maango alu whita ke lau, ke lau tūlo tau pahaluanga ngā hua lima he whale tolu he maanga. Whakamatapatu e a halau tūlu ke manatu ke lata me malolo sino, ke tūmau e tātā ana ki tau kai mai mui alaala. Long me whiwale te koloa he te whine ne kua whakakiskese ai, kua whakafua ke haho, ke he fua ke tau akau mui, ne kua whakatātā he tau nei.
I hai ai e tau ngahua he tau matua whiwhine, ne ka katowhi ki ai. Ke tau se he matua whiwhine ki whai koloa ia. Koe koloa whakamua, koe si vai vai sino taha, koloa ke waki, koe si vai vai fisi pariu. Hai e tau ngahua ha matua. Kai mai he whalu koloa whoki, koe tau i e pili, koe tau i e tai tai, tū mawanga e tau matua whiwhine. Tō koloa lalanga, koe tau madariri whoki ha matulu a koloa ni tau se, mame ahoni. Tū mawanga e tau matua whiwhine. Ka koe numela ha matulu mga ahoni, ko hifa whakahanga tui, ha kua naka i malolo e tau malolo sino he wharu, naka i te whahia ke hoko mai, si ai malolo lahi e atu hau to tau hake ki lunga, ke he ke kau whakata, kaya malaka matulu i tau ne tai, tau mala tulu ke kau whakata ki tau mahua e tau whiwhine.
Kua mai ke te matu whine ki whakatātā fu ke halau tūla tau lot matala ki te wala tāla, tala hau tau tāla kūkū, ki tunge tau te kitaha. Ke moe wa whitani he mau tau whakaroanga halau tūla, ke lata me aho whakatātā he whahi tuka hau, ka kua whakatolo mua ki tuai e tau whakaroanga takawhanga ki tu whia, halau tūla ke hau tūla mwhuri September. Yesterday, the Alofi North women showcased their talents in weaving and sewing at the village community hall. The women's craft covered all the windows with brightly coloured sivaivai, along with the matching pillowcases, floral arrangements to pot plants on display, a few knitting items and a whole lot of food. The Alofi North Women's Club theme for this year, Food Security, promoted healthy living for the community, along with a few entertaining aerobics exercises.
This year the women aimed for 5 different things. The Sivai, the plain border one and the fancy one. There's 2 types. So one is quite decorative and one is quite plain but still effective with the pattern that's in it. We also have the 15-inch lily woven, Iepili, which is our bed cover, our cultural one, and the pillowcases to go with it, and then we had a dyed bed cover with pillowcases to go with it. So the aim was for all the women to be able to showcase those on today, and I think the majority of us were able to do that today.
Every year the women within the village share their talents in creative writing and storytelling, and unlike most years, there was no theme. The Women's Club have been looking forward to the show day that will be held next week. However, the Marine Day has been postponed until the 30th of September. And those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. We do hope you can join us again for our next news bulletin next week. Whakausme nei e te wala tala tutupu ke lak mea whiawhi a mana ki ke liriu whilewe penei fō ki ke whaitapu hau. Kia munui nei o ke o ke whatapu, munui ne pō tu liriu ke whilewea.